Okay guys, so you've tuned in for the top 5 breakfasts for busy people. If that's why you've tuned in, don't go away. Okay guys, so we want to jump on with the 5 main breakfasts. We want to understand, hey, we don't have time, we need to get keto food, we need it quickly. So without further ado, number 1. So number 1 here we have bacon, eggs and avocado. So let's have a look. High in protein and healthy fats to keep you full and in ketosis. So you have ingredients there, 2 large eggs, you have 2 rashers of bacon, half an avocado, salt and black pepper to taste. So now all of that adding up, mostly coming from the avocado, it's 2.3 grams of net carbs, and that comes from the UK COVID, and so you understand this is backed up, accountable nutritional information. So you have why is this good? It's high in protein, supports muscle and keeps you full. It's low carb, keeps you in ketosis. Keto friendly, perfect for ketosis, and keeps you full, satisfying and long lasting. So how long does it take? 5 to 10 minutes. That's a fantastic keto breakfast. You can bang it out, have it all done. Definitely, definitely if you're doing it and you're efficiently doing it, you'll get this banged out in 5 minutes, and it's going to be fantastic. It's absolutely delicious as well. You've got the monounsaturated fats from the avocado, lovely texture, creamy, lots of high quality eggs, fantastic superfood there, as well as avocado, and then you've got lovely tasty bacon, pork rashers, absolutely delicious. So we understand quite simply that this is a fantastic, healthy, and a keto conducive breakfast. So fantastic one there, guys. And what I like to do usually is actually I take avocado and I squish it with salt, pepper, vinegar, and throw bacon in nice and hot, mash it up and eat it as a whole bowl. Absolutely delicious. Okay guys, so that's number 1. Now moving on to number 2. So number 2 is an omelette with cheese and spinach. Now let's have a look here. So high in protein and healthy fats to keep you full and in ketosis. So again, fantastic. You've got 2 large eggs, 30 grams of spinach, 30 grams of cheddar cheese, 10 grams of butter, salt and black pepper. Now, most of the carbs will be coming from the spinach, but you'll have some contribution from the eggs. It's a low amount, only at 1.1 net carbs, 1.1 grams of net carb. So again, it's a fantastically quick one to make, 5 to 10 minutes. I know for a fact I could whack this one out definitely in 5 minutes. It's the beauty of just making, whisking the eggs, frying in taking up the spinach if it's frozen, fry it, quickly a little bit, or put the spinach in first and then pour the eggs on top, a bit of salt and pepper, cheese on top. 5 minutes, it's done. Flip it over, bam. 2 minutes, bam. 2 minutes, it's done. Absolutely delicious. Now, again, the butter adds a fantastic flavor. Always have that. And don't forget, it's keto. It's just fuel. There's nothing wrong with it whatsoever. It's a great, awesome, keto conducive fat butter. Okay, guys, so this again is a fantastic one. You could hammer this breakfast out in no time. Really good. Satiate your appetite. It's absolutely delicious. No problem there. Okay guys, so keto breakfast number 3. Okay guys, here you have the full keto fry-up. Now, this is one that is like a bit of a treat. I love to have this. In fact, sometimes I actually have it every day. It's absolutely delicious. What you have to be aware of, and I'll make this instant, sausages, low carb or zero or as little carb as possible. You can buy near zero carb sausages. Again, you can buy things, chipolatas are around, pork chipolatas are around about 1.5 grams per sausage, or even less, 1.4. So that would be conducive there for your keto diet. Again, always trying to source zero carb bacon that's out there for sure, and your eggs have a negligible effect. You've got a little bit of carb in the mushrooms, and also you'll get some carb from the tomato. So you can see here it's a fantastic big breakfast there. I mean, you can, for example, 1.8 grams net carbs. That's awesome. You could double all of that there. You could have 4 eggs, you could have 4 rashers of bacon, you can have 2 halves of tomato, you can have 100 grams of mushrooms, and you can have 2 sausages. And all you've got to do is double it. So that's 3.6 grams of carb. So there you go. A very low carb breakfast still if you double the size of that. Now, I personally have double the size. 3.6 gram carbs for your breakfast. Fantastic. It's not even a quarter of your daily 20 gram allowance on ketosis. Okay guys, so high in protein again, keto friendly, low carb, keeps you full all day. And this is a double for this one, because not only are you getting eggs, which are fantastic for filling you up, you're also getting the bacon for the meat, sausage for the meat again, mushrooms, which are hard, pretty tough to digest, and tomatoes as well. So you're getting a whole range of stuff, but the beauty of it is most of them are dense, heavy, full of healthy fats, and they're going to be hard to digest. So fantastic one there for you guys, and it can make you feel happy for obviously having something akin to the great English breakfast. Okay guys, here we go. This is 10 to 15 minutes, so it's a bit longer, but it's worth it. You've got to obviously cook every individual one. If you have more burners, throw the pan on, crack the eggs in one, put the bacon in another, throw some of the mushrooms next to the bacon, throw in the sausage and the tomato, cook them all together. Probably 10 minutes you can bang it out. Now, I would say as well, use butter or olive oil to cook it. Fantastic breakfast, and this is one that I always enjoy. So I know that you guys will enjoy it as well. Okay guys, keto breakfast number 4. So here we go, Greek yogurt with nuts and seeds. So this is another one. So firstly what you have to do, massively use a book if you want. Write down in a journal, yes, a notebook, write down all the carbohydrates for what you're doing, weigh them out and make sure you get them correct. Why is this? Because first of all, you're going to probably get between 4 to 6 grams of carb for the yogurt, yes. So you've got to be careful with the yogurt. You know, you've got 10 grams of almonds, you get some carb there. Less carbs for the walnuts. Less, lower carbs with pumpkin seeds, and low with chia seeds. But mostly you're going to get some from almonds and the Greek yogurt. So weigh it, get it accurate. You're going to get 4.6 grams of net carbs. It's a fantastic change on a keto diet. Why? Because you get the texture of yogurt. It might not be sweet, but it's still lovely and creamy and delicious. Then you add in the awesome flavor and those healthy fats and nutrition from the nuts and the seeds. Absolutely delicious. So what you can see here guys, 5 minutes without a doubt. All you've got to do, go to the fridge, take out the yogurt pot, splat in there or measure out into the bowl 100 grams while you've got it on the scales, tar zero, and then take out 10 grams, weigh it for walnuts, almonds, pumpkin seeds and chia seeds. Bam, you're done. That's going to take no more than 5 minutes. A fantastic, healthy, creative way for a breakfast on the keto diet. Brilliant. Okay guys, so high in protein, healthy fats to keep you full, and in ketosis. Fantastic breakfast to keep you full until lunch. And it adds variety. It's great when it's not just something which is usual for keto. So Greek yogurt is lovely just to change flavor, textures, all of that. Okay guys, now next we have smoked salmon plate. So this here is high in protein and healthy fats to keep you full, and in ketosis again, all of them have to be that. Now here we go. Ingredients, we have 100 grams smoked salmon, half an avocado, 1 ounce of cream cheese or 28 grams, 1 large egg, a quarter cucumber sliced up, 1 teaspoon of capers, 1 teaspoon of everything bagel seasoning, and fresh dill, optional. Now if you can't find that seasoning, use something else obviously that's conducive to go in its place. Now what you can see overall, it takes a little longer because you've got a lot of different ingredients and different ways to prepare them. You've got 10 to 15 minutes. I think you could do it in 10 minutes. Most of it is already not cooked, or you might want to cook it like the salmon. It's up to you. Eggs have to be done, and that's going to take 5 minutes. So then all the rest put out, 10 minutes I reckon maximum. Now 3.3 net carbs, fantastic. You can see again it's an awesome breakfast, and it's less than a quarter of your carbs daily limit. So 3.3 grams, you have 20 grams, bang on. Now again, it's delicious and it gives a lot of different textures and flavors. That's the secret behind it. Fast, quick, delicious and creative breakfasts that keep you excited about keto and in ketosis. Okay guys, so if you have any questions, please pop them in the comments, thumbs up and subscribe. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next one.